Hi, this is Steve Lamontagne from Online Seller Circle. Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you'll be notified every time we release a new video. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and like the video. We like a bit of online love. And this video today is about creating a UPS collection. So when you sell through arbitrage on Amazon, you will be responsible to schedule a collection from a courier company, and we will show you in the video why UPS is the favorite provider for this service. So we will cover how to schedule a UPS collection and give you all the links necessary. So all the links provided in this video will be in the comments section below. So let's get started. In this video, we will look at how to schedule a UPS collection. So when you are creating a shipping plan on Amazon, you will be responsible to schedule a collection with a courier, and a courier company that is a favorite of Amazon is UPS. So let's get right in. Why UPS? Well, they are recommended by Amazon. They have negotiated amazing rates worldwide. They provide a very efficient and professional service. Also, they offer either a door-to-door collection, or you can even drop off your boxes if you live nearby a UPS collection service. They have locations nationwide across the UK, and the agreement that they've reached with Amazon makes this service really affordable, and there are no fees, and you don't need to sign up to be a member either. In your shipping plan on Seller Central, when you accept the delivery charges, you will see there that there's a little note saying to complete your shipment with UPS, visit UPS's website. So you need to go onto the UPS website and create your schedule for the UPS collection. So this is a shipment label, as you will have seen through the training. So this shipping label in two parts. One part is for the FBA on the right, and the part on the left is for the courier service. So in this example, it's for UPS. So you want to take a note of this number here, the one that starts with 1Z on this example, because you want to input that into the collection service on the UPS website. So make a note of this number and then go to this link. So we will put this link in the section below. But this link will take you to the UPS collection service on the UPS website. So this is a very straightforward process. You will enter your information. So question number one, do you have a pre-printed UPS shipping label for your shipment? The answer is yes. This is the number I just showed you on the shipping label. So you put that in the box here where it says enter the tracking number if you have it. So then you will scroll down, and you will see section 2 is about the information of where you are or where you want the shipment to be collected. So you don't need to put any UPS account number. If you have a company name, like your business account name, you can put it in there, a contact name, the street address where it needs to be collected. If it's an apartment building or an office building, you put all the information there, postcode, and of course phone number, just in case they need to contact you. If you are arranging a collection from home, make sure that you are ticking this box, residential address. As well, if you want to drop it off at a UPS access point, you can click on the link and find a location near you. The next section is to provide information about your shipment. So you will need to tell UPS how many boxes you have in your shipment and what is the total weight. So all the boxes added together, what is the total weight? So if you are shipping a pallet, you will need to arrange this by ticking this service there, but most shipping that you will do, especially if you do it from home, will be a few boxes, and you don't need to ship a pallet. What you want to tick though is UPS standard. So this is the service that you are using, and you can ignore the ones on the right because it's international or transborder service. And also it wants to know if your total shipment is more than 32 kilograms. So usually it's going to be no, but if it is yes, then you just tick that box. And finally, you want to arrange a collection date and time that suits your needs. So you will want to select the date here, Then put the date and the time. So do you want to have it, for example, between 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. or between 8 and 5? And also if there's any preferred locations, for example, if you are leaving the boxes in a safe place in your garden, you can put that information there. And if you want to put any additional instructions for the UPS driver, then you could put it in this section there. So once you've finished all of this, you click on Next and your collection will be booked. So UPS will come and collect your boxes and they will send them to the fulfillment center mentioned on your shipping label provided by Amazon. So this is it, a very simple process. Make sure to join us on the various social media platforms, either on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or on Facebook Messenger as well. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, get in touch and we'll make sure to answer them. I've been Steve Lamontagne from Online Seller Circle. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comments section and we will make sure to get back in touch with you. Also, join us on our other social media platform to get the latest information about arbitrage. See you on the next video.